Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today, we're on the all-new 2023 Harris 250 Solstice dual console. First thing you're going to notice about this boat is the dual console here has a windshield. A nice thing about the windshield is it adds kind of the performance look of a runabout, and it also provides you wind protection from cold air. So if you're, like I am, a late season or early season boater, you have a place to get behind the windshield so you can be nice and warm and comfortable on a cooler day while enjoying 365-day-a-year boating. Come to the back of the boat, take a look back here. Something I really like about the Solstice line is even though it has a 25-foot long tube, it's got a 27-foot 11-inch deck, which you get a little bit of in the front, you get a great amount of back here. So you have a nice, long, extended swim platform, so whether you have extra space to get on or off the boat, or if you simply have little ones that enjoy climbing up the ladder and jumping off the side, plenty of space to do that. Speaking of climbing up the boat, Harris does a great job with their 24-inch wide heavy-duty ladder. You have a nice ergonomically friendly 4-step deep rung ladder, so easy to get in and out of the boat no matter what size you are. At the back of the boat here, you have a ski pylon, so a great place to attach the ski rope or tube rope if you're going to drag the kids around. 300 horsepower motor, so plenty of power to do so. The kids are wakeboarders or skiers and like a little bit better up high pull. You have a tow point up on the tower as well as an incorporated bimini. So plenty of shade, tow point, great function of that tower. Coming into the back of the boat here, you see this is called a center walkthrough. So you have 2 rear-facing loungers on either side, 3 cup holders on both sides, or you can use it as a bench-style seat. Put plenty of people back here, as well as one of my favorite features, a trash can. Pull this up, get your trash in and out of there real easily. Have a place to actually throw the empty snacks away and the empties. Come on up to the helm here. You can see you have the bolster seat on both sides, so you can either sit low below the windshield or sit up on top of it, allow you to look over the windshield. This one also has the upgraded stereo and Simrad glass dash, so Go 9 glass dash system here, and then the JL system, so you get extra speakers, amp, and sub on this model. Over here on the dual helm side, you have a control for your stereo system over here, extra storage, and then underneath here is a great storage for your air dam. So what you can do is take that air dam, slide it in the front, close off this windshield, and you have complete wind protection from behind the helm. The front of this boat, you got 2 great big long bench seats with fold down armrests, so whether you're using this as a seat where you're looking forward or you're using it as a bench seat, you have great space in the front for a lot of people and a lot of storage underneath both seats and in the floor. Once again, Captain Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through the all-new 2023 Harris 250 Solstice DC. Thanks, have a great day.